Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how I was able to save thousands of dollars on my taxes because I used the right write-offs and deductions. And today I'm going to talk to you about what those are and how you can do the same and why you need to start a business today, because it is the best way to first increase your income and save money on taxes. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Daniela Ganu and I am a coach here on YouTube. I do business coaching and I'm really passionate about just success coaching in general. So I'll do a lot of content here on YouTube about how to be more productive, how to find your best self, purpose related videos, and a lot more of business coaching videos. So if you are interested in any of those things, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I would also recommend you go ahead and connect with me on Instagram. You can find me by my name, Daniela Ganu, and I'll have the link down below in the description box. Alright guys, so here's the reason why I encourage every single person, whether you're not you are working a 9 to 5 or not, to start a business. It is because it is the best way to gain your money back. What does that mean? When you have a business, there are just so many other ways that you can find to reduce your tax bill. And let me tell you, the fastest way to increase your income is to reduce your tax bill. You can be making $500,000 a year at a W-2 job and take home around $200,000. But just because you have a side hustle or a side business, you can now save, let's say, $50,000 just because you have a side hustle, even still with that 9 to 5 job. And if you want to start a business, if you're at a point where you do want to start a business, you want to be an entrepreneur, I do have a course called the Launch My Biz course where I literally teach you from A to Z how to launch your business. We talk about exactly how to niche down what you're gonna do, how to find your target market, how to sell to them, how to actually, put together a good product that people would actually want, how to pitch to them, and then how to scale, how to grow it from there. And I even talk about all of the finance aspects of it. So what I'm talking about in this video, but to your particular business, and how to make sure you're tracking everything financially so that you are performing at your absolute best. So excuse me, I'd highly recommend, if you are in that place where you're starting a business recently and you don't know what to do, or you want to start a business, definitely sign up for this course. I will have the link down below, and you can also DM me on Instagram if you have any questions concerning that. All right, you guys, so like I said, start a business. Why do I say this? That is because I have my little notes right here. That is because you can take out startup costs for your business. That is the #1 thing. If you spend any money for your business, to start out, and say if you want to get a camera, you want to start a YouTube channel, or if you want to get a computer to edit or whatever else it may be, if you want to get a new phone because you're really big on Instagram, you want really great photos, you're doing that for your business, and that allows you to then deduct that from your taxes because it is a business expense. So to that point, that is one of the things that I did, is I took out all of the things that I had to spend to start my business, right? And I wanted to make sure that I put that in to deduct because I was using those things for my business. Like I got a ring light, I got a computer, I got a MacBook, I got a camera. All those things went towards my business, so I was able to deduct those, right? So what are the things that you're spending for your business, right? Then also the supplies and materials. So if you have a business and you have to buy equipment, or not equipment but supplies, so whatever you are selling, if you are a product-based business, if you have to invest in a bunch of product, right, that is going to be deductible. If you need supplies, so if you need staplers, binders, notebooks, whatever, pens, those things can also be deducted because you are using those for your business. Those are necessary expenses that you need to take in order to run this business. So any material that you have to buy, you can go ahead and deduct. Something else that really helped me that I was able to take out was my home office. So I use my home office, which is literally my room, in order to record my videos, in order to package my stuff for my business, in order to record anything that I need for my videos. For my business, I use my home office, which is my room. So I was actually able to deduct whatever square footage of my room from my mortgage bill. So they take the ratio, your room versus the whole entire house. They'll take that same percentage and deduct that from your taxes. How amazing. You can literally save on your mortgage by just starting a side hustle. You have to use that home office for predominantly your business. I think it's 50% or more, but literally, you guys, I'm always working in here. So this is definitely my home office. Like I literally have a desk right there, have a recording station here, right? I'm packaging stuff over there. Like I'm always working in here. Something else that I was able to take that really helped me save on taxes is advertising and any amount of kind of like investment that you're doing to educate yourself to become a better blank. So whatever you are, if you invest in some type of advertising, right, where you have to spend a certain amount in order for people to help you to advertise, that is an expense and you saw that as necessary and you can deduct that from your taxes. The list literally goes on and on. So anything that you use literally to improve your business that you see that it is necessary for your business, you can deduct. It is up to you to decide what is necessary for your business, and if it's actually a direct correlation between yourself and you know your profit for your business. So there has to be a correlation. You can't just be like, oh, I got this crazy thing and it's necessary for my business. No, it has to be something that has a direct correlation to why it would make you more money in your business, and that you can take out, deduct from your tax. And the last way that I was able to save tons of money for my taxes is tracking my mileage and also my travel costs. If you travel for business purposes, so for example, if you're traveling somewhere because you want to meet a client and talk about something that has to do with your business, you can deduct the hotel that you took there, you can deduct the flight that was there, and also the meals that you ate there. And so that is really great, but the thing about it is that you have to deduct only up to 50% off for meals and travel, but that's still a lot of money, especially if you're traveling a lot for your business. So for example, if you're a vlogger and you're going to different places to record videos for your subscribers, that is literally a travel expense. So I think that a lot of times, like because of the new era that we're in, we have a lot of influencers, a lot of vloggers, a lot of bloggers, and I feel like we don't take ourselves as businesses, but we literally are, right? We're providing entertainment to an audience that is a direct correlation with our profit, and we are a business, right? So you can make sure to track those expenses, track those the miles that you drive to go places, anything like that, so you can get that back in your taxes. And for mileage, I would recommend you downloading an app. This app is called Mile IQ, and as you drive around, it will literally ask you, is this for business or is this for personal? You can just swipe left or right, or select, and literally it's that easy. So then by the time tax season comes, you have all of your mileage collected, and then you can use that to file your taxes. So I know I just said a lot, and this is what I personally use in order to save a lot of money on taxes. And there's so many other ways to save money on taxes, which I'll probably do another video for that. If you guys want me to, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and like this video so I know that you liked it, you feel me? But I would like to let you know, this can be very easy for you if you just use the right tracking mechanism. I do have an Excel sheet that you can purchase in order to like track your expenses, track your income, your liabilities, and your assets for your business, and most importantly, your write-offs. On this Excel sheet, I will literally have all of the write-offs that the IRS recognizes as a deduction, so that you can literally be marking those off as you go throughout the year, and by the time tax season comes, you are ready, okay, to get all of those deductions legally, okay? I don't mess with illegal things. These are all legal, backed by the tax code. And a lot of times people just don't take them because they are ignorant about it, they don't know. And unfortunately, a lot of people that that we pay to file our taxes for us are just so busy during that season, so they don't have time to go in and check for all those things. So you can have some more control over that if you go ahead and purchase this sheet, and in it will literally walk you through all the steps, how to do your business accounts if you haven't done that yet, how to make sure that you're tracking your income and expenses, and what write-offs that you should be taking off. So I highly recommend you guys go ahead and purchase that. I will have the link down below in the description box. It's totally really cheap, but it's gonna really help you to track your expenses as a business. But all in all, even with everything I said, make sure that you're talking to a tax professional in order to validate some of these things, because I know a lot of times these things differ from depending on what business that you have. So if you do have something that you refer to for your tax preparer, talk to them. You can either talk to an enrolled agent or a CPA to file your taxes, or you can talk to them and just file your taxes yourself. You don't have to pay someone for your taxes. I personally don't. You just need to know the tax code and know what to be able to take out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and share this video with someone, a business owner, an entrepreneur, because we want to help each other out in this community. Let them know what they can do, what's possible for them, so they're also not missing out on their tax write-offs. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Come say hi to the video. Maybe it's a blooper. Hi!
Wait, no, this is not
Come
live,
say
right?
hi. No, it's not live.
Wait, what?
It's a YouTube video.
What up, y'all?
And it's my brother!
Eating peanut, the best way to be alive. Your